guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a Nintendo Switch. So, these are the things you will need. You'll need a Nintendo Switch, some 2 broken controllers, it has to be in the toaster, otherwise it will not work, and a screwdriver. Alright, so here is how you do this. So, the first thing that you want to do is to take your Nintendo Switch out of the toaster. See? Completely black and burnt, just as I like it. Alright, you don't need this toaster anymore. You will need that in a little bit though, so don't throw that in the trash. Although you can if you want to. Alright, so I'm going to start taking the controllers off. Or wait, I forgot something. First, I have to do something very important. So, do you see this little thingy right here? Yes, that one. We're gonna have to open it. Alright, I've used the screwdriver enough. And now, see. Wow! Okay, I've done it. And now I've unlocked the controller opening. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to press the home button twice with the screwdriver. You have to use the screwdriver, otherwise it will not work. Alright, and move the stick thingy. And then press all the buttons. Alright, now I've unlocked the thingy for this controller on the front side. Now you have to like touch this or something like that. These 2 buttons. Then you touch this thingy and these holes like that. Yes, and then you have to press this button. And now it's ready to come off. Alright. Oh, I broke it so much. Alright, you can even see it inside. Do you see all that? All those screw bits and stuff, yes. Alright, I'm going to be throwing this in the trash because I don't need it anymore. It's in the trash now. Alright, so for the other controller, you just have to do the same. Although, there's one other thing you have to do. You have to stick your screwdriver into these holes. You have to turn this thingy, and you have to like do this. Alright, now it's ready to take off. But first, you have to press the camera button. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then you have to like stroke all the buttons. With the screwdriver, you have to use the screwdriver. And on the other side, yes. Yes, and then you poke it in all the holes. Like that. Alright, and now I think it is ready to take off. Oh wow, it came off so easily off like that. Alright, now you have the blue controller. See all those screwy bits? Yes, I'm going to be donating this to somebody who can't fix controllers or something, so I will throw it to him. Alright, it is all the way at him. And now, I will show you how to do this the switch first. But before that, I will show you a little bit of a pause first, because you're probably very tired. Right, now what I have to do is I have to like kind of fix this thingy, and then I can put the controllers on. So to fix this, I open this and stick my screwer into here like that. Now it's fixed. And you can see it because I'm going to turn it on for you. Yes, it's completely working, see? Alright. And now I will put my Nintendo Switch back into the toaster oven. And there we go, burn it right up like that. Now I'm going to get ready for the other new controllers. So, this is the other controller that I bought. I only got 1 because I don't need 2. And now I have to like fix it back in like that. Spin it into there. Get some screws maybe. Alright. Completely done now. And now I can play it as much as I want with my 1 controller. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and give me money. Goodbye.